Understanding the phrase, blow smoke, in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, blow smoke. Idioms can be tricky for language learners because they don't always mean what the words themselves suggest. So, let's clear the air together and understand what it really means when someone is blowing smoke. Blow smoke is an idiomatic expression that can have a couple of different meanings, but it generally refers to deception or exaggeration. When someone is said to be blowing smoke, they could be misleading others, often to make themselves look better or to hide their true intentions. It's similar to pulling the wool over someone's eyes. The phrase is believed to have originated from the magic shows and performances of the past, where smoke was used to obscure the audience's view and create an illusion. So, when someone is blowing smoke in a conversation, think of it as them creating a figurative smokescreen. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few examples. I think he's just blowing smoke to avoid answering the question directly. Don't trust him. He's known for blowing smoke when it comes to his business deals. It's important not to confuse blow smoke with smoke and mirrors, which refers to more elaborate deception. Also, blowing smoke up someone's skirt is a variant that means to flatter or compliment someone excessively, often insincerely. And that's a wrap on blow smoke. Remember, English idioms can add color to our language but require careful consideration of context. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you. If you've enjoyed learning about it, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.